YouTube. In this video, we will go over how to pop open the hood of the Toyota RAV4. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do is make your way over to the driver's side of the vehicle, open the door, and at the bottom, you will see two levers. The one on the right is for the hood. So what you're going to want to do is pull it up. You hear that? It just popped open. Now, make your way back to the front of the vehicle. And what you're going to do is put your hand right in here. You see where the Toyota symbol is? And you will feel right below the lever that you're going to push over to the left. That's going to release your hood. Now it's up. Now with the hood held up, you can see this post right here on the left is what you're going to use to keep your vehicle's hood propped up. So all you're going to do is detach it right here. So I'm going to hold it and I'm going to pull it right out. There you go. And I'm going to place it right there. That's it. And that's how you prop open the hood of the Toyota RAV4. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to help us get to 1,000, and I'll catch you on the next one.